and welcome. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video and we're going to be unboxing a Fragrant Jewels bath bomb. I have seen these on Facebook a bunch. They do a lot of advertising on there and I've been tempted to try one for a while now. They're about $15 for a bath bomb. The box is cute. It says, "Hello Gorgeous, Choose Joy." According to the website, each of these has a ring inside of it, and that ring is valued at $10 at the least and $10,000 at the most. From most of the reviews I've seen, a lot of people get the $10 rings, but even the cheap rings that they have seem to be pretty cute to me. So we open it up to a pink box, and then here is our bath bomb. This one is called Secret Garden, and it smells really nice. It's hard to say exactly what it smells like. It's floral, so it makes sense with the garden. I wanted to be able to show you guys how this bath bomb defizzes, so I got a little bucket of water ready so we can watch it defizz together, and then I will pull the ring out to show you guys. And also we'll look up the value online, see how much our ring is worth. This bath bomb seems to be defizzing very slowly. I'm used to them fizzing a lot more, but I do really like the colors. You can see some purple and a little bit of yellow. It's mostly just blue and green. I would say in total this has been fizzing for about 2 minutes, which is a pretty good fizz time. So that's the last little bit of it now that I've dumped it into my bathtub. So we got this. Seems pretty shiny so far. Regardless of how much this is worth though, I'm feeling pretty impressed with how it looks. It's very beautiful design. I love the design of this ring. It looks almost like it's got little vines on the side. Okay, that's not bad. It says that this ring is valued at $25. I do think this is beautiful. I do think it was worth what I paid for the bath bomb. And they have a subscription box. This was not a subscription box. This was just a random bath bomb that I purchased, but they've been also advertising to me a subscription they have where they offer a candle and a bath bomb for $40 a month, but because it's a new thing, they're like giving a promotional discount on it right now. So I might go ahead and get us one of those boxes so we can do another one of these, because this was a pretty fun little unboxing. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you will hit like and subscribe so I can see you again.